the headlights that I bought for my E90 2006 at 325i. I ordered some headlights on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below, that way you guys can see it. And yeah, finally got them today. This is for the halogen model, no HIDs, so it supposedly should be straightforward, the installation. So yeah, let's move forward with the unboxing, that way you guys can see it. I'm gonna go through the installation, that way you guys can see all the process and everything, and show you the final results. So let's see how it goes. Pretty good. I'm gonna check to see if it has bulbs in there. Yeah, you can see it has the bulb there. I assume this one probably has a bulb as well. Based on the reviews I heard, I think they're kind of like a standard yellowish color. So if you were looking for more like a 6K, like a white, or a 5K, yeah, you're gonna have to replace the bulb. So I'm gonna test them out just as is to see how it looks, and then if I change the bulb, that was something that I'll do like later on. But it looks pretty nice. Alright, so installation is complete. Look at the headlights, how they look. I'll show you guys a couple shots with, you know, the headlights working, low beams, high beams, and the halos as well. Looks pretty nice compared to the other ones I had. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Yeah, it was straightforward. Only had a little bit of a hiccup with one of the connectors for one of the headlights, but that was something on their end. But luckily I was able to fix it, and I had to wait 30 days or whatever, you know, return and all that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. So I'll show you guys a little bit of clips so you guys could have a better look. But Super nice, super nice. So here are the headlights. So I'm gonna show you guys with all the lights on how it looks. So this is with no lights on. Now I'm gonna turn on the halo. Look at the halo, it's looking nice. Pretty nice. Look at that, very bright. You know, it's pretty bright outside, so they look very good. This is a low beam. So this is what I was talking about. So for the low beam, it brings OEM bulb. So yeah, it's pretty standard color. If you want another tone, then you're gonna have to change the bulb. Yeah, so got the high beam, the low beam, got the rings, and then the turn signal. Turn signal here to the right. Other turn signal. So yeah, this is the end of installation. Like I said, pretty nice, pretty standard. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know.